Hello, follow along as I set up this Christmas tree.
First, I start by setting up the base and lining up to where these holes appear. Then I'll use these screws and screw them to each one of the holes, but not all the way. Then I'll grab the bundle with the C on it and take the end cap off. Set it in the base and tighten it in place. Then B. And then A. I'll start fluffing from the top.
Okay, I'm in the middle of putting up this Christmas tree, and I just want to show y'all some of the features up close about it. This tree actually has a few different textures. The little branches that come all the way out, that are the furthest on the outside, actually have somewhat of a rubbery texture. Each main limb or stem will have 3 of these rubbery branches that stick out, and they have a wire coming up the middle. These little bristles coming off the sides do not have any wire in them. And then towards the back, each individual branches has what we're used to type of branches, where it is a little more itchy, but it's all towards the back, and it helps make the center of the tree more fluffy. Another thing I like about this is that all of these sections down here, though they come attached, shows you they're color coded, will tell you which row these things go on. These don't necessarily come off, but they are made to stay on, but they still show you where they belong on the tree.
And now I'm going to continue to fluff the tree, moving my way down and all the way to the bottom. I think it looks great.
So as you can see, this tree was not that hard to put together. It comes in 3 sections, and the base, as you saw, with the little screws, and you can adjust the screws. Like if you feel like your tree is leaning one way or the other, just by simply unscrewing and screwing in the different screws, you should be able to line your tree up perfectly straight. It really was so easy to put together. Each of the main branches are on hinges. As you saw, they just folded out and they fall exactly where they're supposed to go. The main shape of them is shaped just as it's supposed to go. It gives that realistic pine tree look where the branches are in like a bowl shape. And there you have it, an artificial pine Christmas tree.